Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which state government introduced a free electricity scheme for handloom and powerloom weavers in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which department signed an agreement to extend the Sampan platform to the government of Goa and the Cochin Port Authority? Right answer is option B, Department of Telecommunication. In April 2026, where did Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla address the Purvanchal Festival Mati 9? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country secured the top position in the overall medal tally at the World Para Archery Series 2026 held in Bangkok? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country hosted the One Health Summit under its G7 presidency in April 2026? Right answer is option D, France. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, what was India's global rank in installed renewable energy capacity? Correct answer is option C, third rank. At which naval dockyard did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh commission the Indian Navy's advanced stealth frigate INS Taragiri in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Vishakhapatnam Naval Dockyard. Which state launched its first caste based socio-economic survey in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Punjab. What was the name of the AI powered website launched by the Income Tax Department in April 2026 to assist taxpayers and simplify tax compliance? Right answer is option B, Karsathi. According to the Athletics Integrity Unit, which country topped the global list of athletes suspended for doping violations in track and field? Right answer is option C, India. According to a Lancet study, what was India's global rank in terms of the total number of maternal deaths in 2023? Right answer is option B, second rank. Which city will host the annual meetings of the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank Group in October 2026? Correct answer is option C, Bangkok, Thailand. Which Indian players won the Asian Squash Federation Awards 2026 Player of the Year titles? Right answer is option C, Anahat Singh and Abhay Singh. Which Indian port ranked the first among the country's major ports by handling 160.11 million metric tons of cargo during financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option D, Deen Dayal Port Authority. The Rangoli Bihu festival celebrated prominently in April 2026 is associated with which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Domestic poultry and other birds across Europe were affected by an outbreak of Newcastle disease. Which virus causes this disease? Right answer is option B, avian paramyxovirus type 1. Which wildlife sanctuary successfully revived the population of the locally extinct black buck after nearly 5 decades? Correct answer is option B, Barnavapara Wildlife Sanctuary. Which High Court prohibited the use of artificial intelligence in judicial decision making in April 2026? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat High Court. Where did Union Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurate the Birak Bionest Incubation Center in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Mysuru, Karnataka. With a record annual addition of 6.05 gigawatt during financial year 2025-26, India's total installed wind energy capacity crossed which milestone? Right answer is option C, more than 56 gigawatt. When was World Health Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 7th April. Which department organized Sadhana Saptah 2026 from April 2nd to 8th, 2026? Right answer is option B, Department of Personnel and Training. Which 18-year-old archer won the gold medal by defeating world number 1 Sheetal Devi at the World Para Archery Series 2026 in Bangkok? Correct answer is option C, Payal Nag. Which actor received the Best Actor award for the film Dhurandhar at the Chetak Screen Awards 2026? Right answer is option C, Ranveer Singh. Three panchayats from which state won top honors in the Deen Dayal Upadhyay and Nanaji Deshmukh Panchayat Sustainable Development Awards? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. In 2026, who won the Formula One Australian Grand Prix? Right answer is option C, George Russell. Which Indian state government launched the Chief Minister's Krishi Vistara scheme in the budget 2026-27? Right answer is option A, Karnataka. In 2026, the extension of the Jal Jeevan Mission was approved till which year to ensure rural drinking water access? Correct answer is option B, 2028. Which organization launched the Spurti program aimed at empowering women entrepreneurs in India? Right answer is option C, L&T Finance Limited. Which ministry launched the second phase of the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect program? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which fuel standards were recently notified under the National Green Hydrogen Mission? Right answer is option D, green ammonia and green methanol. Which mountain pass remained open in winter 2025-26 for the first time, ensuring Ladakh connectivity? Correct answer is option C, Zojila Pass. Lance Havildar KG George, who passed away, was associated with which war? Right answer is option C, Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. Which institution launched the $500 million syndicated social term loan focused on women empowerment? Right answer is option D, State Bank of India. Who was elected the supreme leader of Iran in 2026? Right answer is option D, Mujtaba Khamenei. Which bank issued India's first green infrastructure bonds worth rupees 10,000 crore? Correct answer is option C, Bank of Baroda. Which Indian economist became the first in the University of Chicago's 85-year history to receive the Alumni Award for Professional Achievement? Right answer is option C, K.V. Subramanian. Who has been reappointed as the Drugs Controller General of India? Right answer is option B, Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. Who won the men's singles title at the All England Open Badminton Championships 2026? Right answer is option C, Lin Chun Yi. R.M. Nachammai recently made history by becoming the first woman chief superintendent of a functional nuclear power plant under which organization? Right answer is option B, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Which organization started the biennial Arctic military exercise Cold Response? Right answer is option A, NATO. Nagauri Pan Methi recently received patent protection from which authority? Right answer is option C, Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority. Which state launched the Project Ganga for high speed internet in rural areas? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Herman Kalk was awarded the Padma Shri in which year? Right answer is option B, 2010. Which operation against drugs was launched in Mizoram? Right answer is option C, Operation Jericho. What cash reward did the BCCI announce for Team India after winning the T20 World Cup 2026? Right answer is option B, rupees 131 crore. Who became the first Indian house ambassador for luxury brand Chanel? Right answer is option C, Bhavita Mandava. The year 2026 marks how many years of sporting ties between India and New Zealand? Right answer is option A, 100 years. Who received the Meta Lifetime Achievement Award 2026? Right answer is option A, Amol Palekar. Who retained the number one position in ICC Women's ODI batting rankings? Right answer is option C, Smriti Mandana. In which city was the Global Conference on the Role of Women in Agri-Food Systems held? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. The first edition of the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 will be hosted by which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Jan Aushadhi Divas is observed annually on which date to promote awareness of generic medicines? Correct answer is option B, 7th March. Which organization partnered with Tata Electronics to promote electronics manufacturing in India? Right answer is option A, Niti Aayog. India's rank in Global Happiness Index 2026 is reported as which of the following? Right answer is option D, 116th rank. Which Indian state was selected as the host for the Indian Orchid Festival 2026? Right answer is option C, Sikkim. Which organizations have partnered to address childhood obesity in India? Right answer is option B, WHO Foundation and Novo Nordisk. Who has been appointed as the head coach of the Sri Lanka men's national cricket team? Right answer is option B, Gary Kirsten. Which Indian state is home to Madurai Airport, recently declared an international airport by the Union Cabinet? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. On which date is International Day of Action for Rivers 2026 observed? Right answer is option D, 14th March. VO Chidambaranar port, which launched India's first digital twin platform, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which country became the largest exporter of cotton products to the United States in 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Which mobile application was launched by Indian Railways for reporting sexual harassment complaints by women employees? Correct answer is option B, Shine. Which countries launched the joint military exercise Freedom Shield? Right answer is option D, USA and South Korea. Which organization released the Fiscal Health Index 2026 where Odisha topped the rankings? Correct answer is option B, Niti Aayog. Who has stepped down as the CEO of Indigo Airline? Correct answer is option B, Peter Elbers. What was the official theme of the International Malaria Conference 2026? Right answer is option A, discovery, development, and delivery. Who represented India at the presidential inauguration ceremony in Santiago, Chile in March 2026? Correct answer is option B, Kirtivardhan Singh. Which city installed India's first microalgae based pure air tower? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Sahitya Academy Award 2025 for Hindi literature was awarded to whom? Right answer is option B, Mamta Kalia. Ahar International Food and Hospitality Fair is organized by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries and which organization? Right answer is option C, India Trade Promotion Organization. Which port recently launched India's first digital twin platform? Right answer is option C, V.O. Chidambaranar Port. Who took oath as the 30th governor of Himachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, Kavinder Gupta. With which company did the US President Donald Trump reportedly partner to build the first major US refinery in 50 years? Right answer is option D, Reliance Industries. World Consumer Rights Day 2026 is observed on which date? Right answer is option C, 15th March. Which bank launched the multilingual AI powered platform Bob Samvad to improve customer experience and banking services? Right answer is option C, Bank of Baroda. Which state government has declared cancer as a notifiable disease to ensure accurate monitoring and data collection of rising cancer cases? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Which organization released the second edition of the report titled From Borrowers to Builders Women and India's Evolving Credit Market in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Niti Aayog. In April 2026, who was elected as the new president of Vietnam? Right answer is option C, Tu Lam. Which country launched the world's first commercial 10G internet network using the U6 GHz spectrum in 2026? Right answer is option D, United Arab Emirates. Which NASA space mission broke a 56-year-old record in April 2026 by traveling the farthest from Earth by a human spacecraft? Right answer is option C, Artemis 2. Which state launched the Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana to provide additional rice to beneficiaries under the public distribution system? Right answer is option B, Odisha. India announced that it would phase out the production of the ozone depleting substance hydrofluorocarbons after which year under the Montreal Protocol? Correct answer is option A, 2027. Which species of penguin has been classified as endangered by the IUCN Red List due to the melting of sea ice in Antarctica? Right answer is option C, emperor penguin. In which state or union territory did more than 315 lakes disappear since 1967, according to a report by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Right answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Which union minister launched the Arogya Van initiative for medicinal plantations on vacant lands along national highways? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. Where is India's first fully indigenous fast breeder reactor, which achieved criticality in April 2026, located? Right answer is option B, Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. Who became the first Indian woman and only the second woman in the world to reach Everest Base Camp on a bicycle in just 14 days? Right answer is option B, Divya Singh. Between which two countries has the Joint Special Forces exercise Cyclone 4 conducted in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, India and Egypt. In which country's East Java province did Mount Semeru volcano erupt in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Indonesia. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Mongolia in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Uchral Nyom Osor. On which date was National Maritime Day 2026 celebrated in India? Right answer is option B, April 5th. Where has India's first coal to ammonium nitrate project been launched? Correct answer is option D, Lakhanpur, Odisha. On which date is World Homeopathy Day 2026 observed? Correct answer is option C, April 10th. During which period was Poshan Pakhwada 2026 celebrated across the country by the Ministry of Women and Child Development? Right answer is option C, 9th to 23rd April 2026. Who became the new chairman and managing director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited in 2026? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Khanna. Which organization became the first Indian FMCG company to cross the rupees 1 trillion turnover mark in the financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option D, Amul. Who received the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2026? Correct answer is option A, Kailash Satyarthi. The Lok Sabha passed a bill recognizing which city as the sole and permanent capital of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option D, Amravati. Which state finished at the top of the medal tally in the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.